Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your travel planning with TripIt step by step clearly. Start by downloading the TripIt app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account using your email address or sign in with your Google or Facebook account. Once logged in, tap on the Plans tab at the bottom of the screen. To set up automatic travel importing, go to the Settings menu by tapping on the gear icon. Scroll down to the Import section. Link your email account that you use for travel bookings. TripIt will search for travel confirmation emails in your linked account. You will also have the option to block specific email addresses if needed. After linking your email, return to the Plans tab. To manually add a trip, tap the plus button in the top right corner. Fill in the details such as trip dates, destination, and any relevant notes. For hotel bookings, flights, and car rentals, TripIt will pull information directly from your confirmation emails. Once you've linked your email, your itinerary will automatically update as you receive new confirmations. Review your travel details to ensure everything is accurate. You can add additional notes, such as unique activities or special instructions. Explore different itinerary views to find one that works best for you. Utilize the map feature to visualize your travel route. If you need to share your itinerary, tap on the share icon and choose how you want to share it. You can send it directly via email or share a link with friends or family. Sync your TripIt account with your calendar for automatic updates. Check the app regularly for any alerts or changes to your travel plans. Now that you're set up, enjoy the ease of automated travel planning with TripIt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.